Magandang gabi po ng December 15, 2024 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 9 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto, 3D Lotto, Super Lotto 649 at Ultra Lotto 658. 2D Lotto 9 p.m. draw result ngayong gabi ng December 15, 2024 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 9 p.m. 3D Lotto 9 p.m. draw result ngayong gabi ng Sunday, December 15, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 9 p.m. 'Super Lotto 649 draw result ngayong December 15, 2024 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa Super Lotto 649 at nandito na rin po ang kanyang jackpot price. Ultra Lotto 658 draw result ngayong Sunday, December 15, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa Ultra Lotto 658 at nandito na rin po ang kanyang jackpot price. See you again tomorrow, December 16, 2024, Monday for 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. draw result of 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto and 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto. Here is my tomorrow's jackpot estimates for Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Monday, December 16, 2024. Thank you for watching this 9 p.m. video for evening of December 15, 2024, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.